Hello and welcome to this week's video. This week we're going to answer the question, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms within a given ecosystem, biome, or the entire Earth. This diversity includes the differences within species, between species, and the ecosystems they form. Biodiversity encompasses plants, animals, fungi, microorganisms such as bacteria, archaea, viruses, algae, lichens, protists, symbiotic relationships, and ecosystems. Biodiversity ensures the stability and efficiency of ecological processes by providing multiple species that perform very similar functions in slightly different ways. This redundancy means that if one species is lost, others can potentially fill its role, maintaining the overall health and functionality of the ecosystem. The ecological processes that biodiversity supports are pollination, clean water and air, soil fertility, and climate regulation. I'll now run through the ways biodiversity supports each of these processes. First, pollination. It's important to have a diverse range of pollinators, such as insects like bees, butterflies, etc., and other animals like birds and bats and more, as different pollinators will pollinate different plant species. This diversity increases the resilience of the pollination services against environmental changes and threats like diseases or climate shifts. Moving on to clean water and air, vegetation plays a vital role in filtering pollutants by photosynthesis and respiration and trapping particulate matter on their leaves. Wetlands are particularly effective at filtering water, absorbing and breaking down pollutants and neutralizing toxins. Soil microorganisms help in decomposing organic matter and recycling nutrients, which helps prevent pollutants from leaching into water bodies. Each plant species filters different pollutants, and having a diverse range of plant species results in a more comprehensive purification of air and water. As for soil fertility, decomposers such as fungi, bacteria, worms, etc. break down dead organic material, returning nutrients to the soil, making them available for plant uptake. Nitrogen-fixing plants and bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into forms that plants can use. Soil fauna, such as earthworms and insects, aerate the soil, enhancing its structure and facilitate that nutrient cycling. As with other elements of biodiversity, the different species contribute to different aspects of soil fertility. And finally, there's climate regulation. This is achieved through carbon sequestration, where the plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, storing carbon in their biomass. Another regulator is the albedo effect, which refers to the Earth's reflectivity. Diverse plant cover has a big impact on this. Forests and other vegetation also play a critical role in the water cycle, influencing rainfall patterns and humidity levels. I hope you found this interesting. However, I can appreciate that whilst it's great understanding these things on a macro level, it's often harder to see how the changes we make on a micro level can make a difference. With that in mind, in upcoming videos, I'll be covering how to incorporate biodiversity into the built environment and the new biodiversity net gain law and much more. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now.